Hi, I'm Alex, and I've built Parse, which allows you to get data from anywhere on the internet in seconds. Parse allows you to put in any website and any task, and it will automatically build a reusable API that can interact with this website in seconds, not minutes. So why did I build this? I originally got into software engineering when I was 12 years old because I wanted to buy limited edition sneakers that would sell out in seconds, and realized the only way to do this was with a bot. And I didn't have enough money to buy a bot, so I taught myself how to code and reverse engineer websites to build a bot. Ever since then, I've been fascinated with how to build software that interacts with the internet, and more recently I've been frustrated with the current web automation tools on the market due to how slow and costly they are. So 5 weeks ago I set out to build Parse, which has required many sleepless nights of building and obsessing over performance gains, and 2 days ago I released it. Within the first 36 hours, I had over 500 developers sign up and build over 1,000 scrapers with Parse that have already interacted with 100,000 web pages across the internet. Now, 48 hours later, I think we're nearly at 800 users or so that have built even more scrapers. Although Parse has already saved these developers thousands of hours of time and labor, we're nowhere near done. I want Parse to be the default way for both software developers and agents to interact with the internet. If you're interested in working on this with me and are curious about how to solve the tough problems with web automation at scale, please reach out. Would love to hear from you. Thank you.